Hillendale. Over Hillendale. Robin Hood. Hold on. Hold on. No. They're getting in the car, bro. Lesson, or did you learn your listen? No? No, you're doing? Good. Talk about stuff.
Wow, 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 wow.
Eddie is struggling. Tired and hungry. I'm trying to transition her from him to Jack. She's just kind of cutting Alright, it's not right. It's not right. Where'd they go?
He's going in bottle here.
How was the park?
We ran Nero until she was about to pass out. Boy. Nero ran his butt.
I know, Ted.
Emily, how you doing? Ready stuff. Jerica,
Yes?
I did not look at boats because where the guy at the dog store recommended we go.
Uh-huh.
Dogs.
Oh,
Jackass,
I
no,
want
just a
this
second.
seat.
I know,
Charlie.
but it's just gonna be Charlie, stop, bro. We're going to just
I
go to
want
lunch.
this space.
Yeah, well, guess what? I'm not gonna do that right now.
I want this space.
You are in space.
Why not?
Charlie, stop.
Yeah, not.
You want to not go to lunch? You want to stay home like Lincoln just did because you're not listening? Where do you want to just go? I don't need two babies. I already got one that's loud enough. She's been doing this the whole ride.
Oh. You should go left though.
Huh?
You should go left and down this street instead of going the way you came.
How do you know which way I came?
I don't.
Why this way?
Go straight.
You know?
So we can see all the beautiful log cabins we just walked by.
Not so that we avoid all the high school
Oh.
honking crowd, because that one's also pretty aggressive.
What was it? This one is beautiful.
You should see the houses we saw.
Oh.
They're on big estates too, and they have a lot of horses. Well, I wouldn't mind a view of that big old hill. That's a pretty pile of rocks.
Yeah.
It's very zen.
The street is very zen. I
Yeah,
like this street.
it's a cute little neighborhood.
They're all new too.
Yeah.
The house.
Yeah, aren't they cool? And guess what they're made out of? Lincoln logs.
Timber.
Mommy, remember the elephants were our old pillows?
Yep. Yep.
I like this too.
Okay.
A lot of these are rentals.
And then this is division.
Yeah. Oh,
So how is the park, Charlie?
let's see which is the smartest way to go here.
And you ran and ran and ran? Did you run and run and run?
I don't think we're gonna be able to get around.
Yup.
I don't think
The
there's another.
honking?
Yeah.
Yeah, these log cabins are stupid silly.
Are they TDF to die for?
They're to die for.
Are they
Not
MFT?
yet.
MFing gorgeous?
Here. Not yet here.
Ooh, a yurt.
Oh,
Several
nice.
yurts. Is that a yurt? Maybe that's just water.
Yeah, I feel like
A
that
bit.
might be one. But in yurt shape,
It is yurtish.
this would be a good place to have a yurt.
Not like that.
Oh, here's our home.
Not like that.
Oh, it's not. That's all wrong. Everyone's
Cute.
got nuts. It's graduation day.
Oh, fun.
The class of 2020. The class of hindsight. No? No? Anyone? Everyone? Restaurants are probably. Did you just have shivers?
Yeah, all up and down my whole entire
Jesus,
body.
now your legs are even airier.